How to make a video call on Google Meet. First, open your browser and go to google.com. At the top right corner, click on the 9 dots next to your profile picture, then select Google Meet. Once the page opens, you'll see two main options. You can start a new meeting or join an existing one using a code or link. Since we're creating a new meeting, click on the New Meeting button. Here, you'll get three options: create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule it in Google Calendar. If you choose to create a meeting for later, Google will generate a link that you can copy and share with anyone. Just send the link through chat or email, and they can join easily. If you select Start an Instant Meeting, the meeting will open immediately, and you'll see your camera and microphone turn on. You can copy the meeting link from the screen or invite people by entering their email addresses. The third option is scheduling a meeting in Google Calendar, where you can add details like the meeting title, date, time, and whether it repeats. You can also set notifications, add a description, and invite guests. Once everything is set, click Save and then Send to notify your guests. That's it. Your Google Meet video call is ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.